My name is Byron Jajadis from Picha Tamu Youth Group, Theatre Youth Group, which is in Naivasha Sub-County, Nakuru County. And this is part of our team. And today we are in the garden doing some groundwork on our Managu project. Apart from that, we also do theatre work, and we also do a lot of community service. We also do garbage collection and environmental conservation. Picha Tamu was started back in the year 2009 by me, Byron, and Daniel Njoroge. And the reason as to why we started Picha Tamu was because the two of us were sharing something. We shared talent, and we were good in, voicing out the issues within our community through the use of theatre techniques, through the use of spoken word poetry, and through the use of conventional theatre and also magnetic theatre. And so we thought, like, Moshe was coming from a different group and I was coming from a different group, and we felt like we really were not feeling like we are giving the output you're supposed to give to our society in the groups that we were. So then we started, and afterwards we came together and we started doing theatre together, and along the way we also picked guys whom we thought had the talent. We nurtured them and made them to be part of us. So initially Picha Tamu started from the passion of theatre groups and theatre work, and the passion of voicing out for our society and for our community through the talents that we have. We ventured into farming as a result of us trying to create more job opportunities, since in the beginning we'd created an opportunity in garbage collection. And through garbage collection, we were able to start doing organic manure, and we thought, okay, we are doing organic manure, but some of the times what we were really doing was a lot of community work. And we had to come in reality with the fact that time and age was not on our side, and it's not waiting for us. And so we thought, like, it will be really very nice not to spend all our time doing free community work, because at the end of the day we need to build on careers, we need to pay bills, and we also need to have some upkeep. And so we had this piece of farm, and it's like God had timed this. PAD came in and they were sending for some application, and we thought, like, okay, it is time to now go into agriculture and now do it, because we were still thinking about it. And we thought, instead of doing trees, because if you look right there you'll realize we had some bags for trees, so we thought, like, it was not really doing so well. And we also wanted to, provide food security. We wanted to really work onto the food security issue. And so we thought, like, we can do organic farming and also provide for ourselves and provide for our community, and also through that generate some income. And that's where we started the Kilimo na Vijana Initiative project under Picha Tamu.